Hey everyone, and welcome back to another edition of Ray's Reviews. And in today's video, I'm really excited to review the highest quality folding table that I could find from Amazon for under $100. And my choice of pick is the Cosco Diamond Series Blow Mold 6-inch table. Now, why is a high quality folding table so important? Well, you can find a cheap folding table at places like Walmart or even Costco for maybe $50 or so. But when you use the table, it's just not high quality. It's very flimsy and it doesn't feel as good as if a table is very high quality and sturdy. And what excites me about this table is that it can apparently hold up to 300 pounds. So I'm excited to test it out today. So as you can see, it comes in a box like this. Like that, and I'm just gonna grab my handy knife and we'll take a look at it together. So, just gonna open it up like this and show you. It looks like that, so I'm just gonna take the table out now. So it's a little bit heavy, which is expected. So I'm gonna take the box out just like this. And put the box down and look at the table just like that. Ooh, it's a little bit heavy, so I guess I should be working out a little bit more. But it looks just like this. Just gonna flip it around.
A few moments later.
So one of the first things I notice about it is that you have this nice quality handle over here. And so if you're going on a picnic or something, you can just carry it like this. And it's a little bit heavy, but it's actually like a really nice feel to it to carry. So for one person, it's actually doable, but it's actually even better if you have two people, just due to the fact that it's a little bit heavy. But that's what we want, right? We want a really sturdy table. Now, in order to open this table up, I'm just gonna put this to the side over here, or I'm just gonna move this back this direction. You just need to use a little bit of force and go like that, and it just snaps open like that. Let's take a look here, and like this. And to assemble it, what I'm gonna do is just gonna pull this up like this, and this looks like it'll snap in place. And this one here, just gonna go like this.
A few moments later.
So I want to show you guys how high quality this table is and how much weight it can actually support. So it says it can support up to 300 pounds. So I'm about 150 pounds. I'm going to try to sit and lie on this and see if there's any wobbly feeling to it whatsoever. So I'm just going to get on the table like this, and it is solid. There is no wobbly feeling whatsoever. It's like I could just lie here all day and take a nap. There is no problem with it whatsoever. It supports my body weight fully, and I think this could actually support another person completely fine. When I push down against this table right over here, it's just so hard, right? So it's just like, some tables are just very flimsy, and this is the thing I love about this table, is that it's not flimsy at all. It's just so hard, high quality material, and you can see that the build is really nice. A couple of other cool things, I'm just looking at the description, is that this is moisture-proof, high-quality resin material. So you can take this outdoors and use it for a barbecue and not have to worry about anything. There's also non-marring leg tips to reduce the floor scruffing. So the primary material is metal over here, so it's gonna reduce the floor scruffing. And obviously, you know, this looks like a great table to use for me to build a computer on, or to use as a workstation, or you can even, you know, put a tablecloth over this and use this as a secondary dining table. So that's pretty much it. But this is the best. I looked at tons of folding tables online. This is the best and highest quality one that I could find for under $100. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and if you liked it, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.